Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, red color, and black color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use yellow color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. So kids, now you draw B and use blue color. B for ball, B for bat. Now you draw C and use yellow ochre color. C for cat, C for car. So kids, now you draw D and use green color. Green color. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now you draw E and use red color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use black color. 1, O-N-E 1. Kids, now you draw 2 and use yellow color. T-W-O 2. Kids, now you draw 3 and use blue color. 3, T-H-R-W 3. Kids, now you draw 4 and use yellow ochre color. 4, F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now you draw 5 and use green color. 5, F-I-V-E 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.